So one way to use active pause is to do it at the very beginning of the session. And many therapists have some kind of a little ritual that is a way of marking the difference between ordinary time and the space that is created or co-created inside a session, where time is a little bit different, where the quality of attention is a little bit different, where paying attention to inner experience is more important than in everyday life. And especially so since clients often kind of rush to come to the session, they're caught in the middle of their days, and it's a little way to mark the transition into different time. So from the very beginning, saying hi, whatever, just however else you would, just have the beginning of the session, very quickly you go into the moment of giving the client the ball and introducing them to this 1 minute experience, and just letting them notice what happens as they take a moment to notice the difference between the way they have been throughout their day, arriving and getting into this different space.